and this for free near my winum. And the day Obibaby say, Bonnie Peng and Abronye aya. And I'm no sunti. And this for 2 on a knee a sinner so. Say Omunya Abronye, a man and nante as a free man on the land of Ghana. Abronye Yabonio. The reason why the NDC is going after Abronye is just simple way. Just to make sure, say, there will not be any solid communication on the media, on the social media, ever punch the weakness of the party called NDC. They are not comfortable with what Chama to me is doing. Their Chama in one channel, no so no. The truth and information that Chama to me, sorry, Chama na Abronye and Saka. And with the type of velocity, Abronye said to me, information free by mono, and this is where they cannot understand. And the end is for the see omo adwene omo akwemu omo tutuye mu the powers from the top and say they will do everything to stop Abronye from speaking. Pachotem yepa. John Dariga Dramani Mahama. Social media kasa, social media commentary, social media personal attacks, social media hatred, and a leading to become the leader of the country today. No, that man is today fighting against the same processor or no a benefit here. And I say Abronye ne boni awaya ne say wakasa diafa adenta court judge bi ho. Enti Abronye enkonkodam 2 weeks. Tiemiye pa. Yesi Abronye aka de emfata e diafa judge bi ho. Enti onkodam 2 weeks. Na andi simpan fo wure free say ye nyina yete oman we mu. And a papa na now you're the president of the country no. Etna say can say judges na omo Supreme Court no. Also omo ye animals so say non-animals judges. President Mahama said it here high court judges. One fancy ho. Sa chama sa papa we for John Dariga Dramani Mahama we ya ono ne ball akwabi ye friend Kevin Taylor oti America oti anika sika ne yellow print ticket a man the house of the vice president in the fie tena ye a Sunday national security ball ne ho ban edna ko Supreme Court ko yi the warrant of arrest. A free so. You free said the intent the warrant of arrest that Kevin Taylor as soon as Wakasetia judges. Nenon sumpono. Nen tisa sema Shamaya Abronye kan ye. And some Kevin Taylor first high Supreme Court judges hono. It was completely a personal attacks, threatened. Defamation content, defamation expressions, and a Kevin Taylor, a candy good judges for so. But now I'm saying, na Kevin Taylor, a cano. A year, Juma, and I say, a year, Juma, Emma, John Mahama, be the president, Tintino. Or no papa to me born a home modern a year, the obey to me a year in the powers of his corridor. Eddie. SFO and I say Eddie Sevu Kevin Taylor from being arrested because Ghana court, competent jurisdiction court, Ghana Supreme Court, High Court, Eddie Assembua Kevin Taylor said, whenever Kevin Taylor is being seen, he should be arrested. In fact, Kevin Taylor was not able to come to Ghana for the whole time when MPP was in power. As soon as NDC came to power, John Mahama brought Kevin Taylor to Ghana to do all the necessary things to take away any accusation on him. Obi otumitra media so for 1 hour. Now o take judges. No dio mwatem go mwani masi edin echan trodi gu on so. That person had mercy from John Darega Dramani Mahama. But someone maybe bo video actually the entire the edit Abronye maybe actually. This is why I always stand to say me chama won to me. I know say oh yeah. Dr. Bawumia lovely boy. Or Dr. Bawumia sempa. Or Dr. Bawumia very serious. Me ametiai. When chama won to me will do everything that he can do just to support you, Dr. Bawumia. But I never heard near my NDC for a year. When you are more fast or more taking some of the people to maltreat them, Abronye, Chamawun to me, Kwabena Dubuahe, and all the other people. So when you knock off Chamawun to him, and national chairman say, "Wom party no go." They would destroy the party organization because Chamawun to me so a personal hatred. A personal hatred. The idea Abronye, the idea Abronye no. Abronye nye bonin tia obiao. It is just to treat him bad, just to show him where power lies. That is what the NDC is doing to Abronye. Because enkaye can nipa o deserve a serious punishment for disrespecting court judges in the country. First should be John Darega Dramani Mahama himself. Second, Kevin Taylor. And if possible, third, Sami Jamfi, who stood on various platforms to attack national or the court judges in the country, the high court judges and the Supreme Court judges. Even to the point, the NDC communication machinery were after the what is the name? The JC, what is the name? The Chief Justice of the country, Madam Tokono. The NDC communicators were insulting and attacking the woman. And because we were because we believe and we knew that we were living in a democratic jurisdiction, Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo allow everything to flow, thinking that to develop a country, you need to get people who will be actively criticizing you so that you can arrange your things and put things in order. But instead of us to go forward, inside of us to move beyond the primitive mentality and dictatorship mentality, here John Darega Dramani Mahama is taking us back to Jerry John Rawlings coup d'etat period. Adentia, Bonne Bain and Agana for Ediaye. Bonne Bain and MPP Ghana for Ediaye John Mahama. Yaman is such a big responsibility to develop and to lead a country like this. Now we're in a near free, his personal and the first duties on him. We're in a near free, so now we all go after people who are not doing nothing bad, but actually trying to what? Bring bring out constructive criticism on the government. Constructive criticism and Abronye on his platform. Constructive criticism and SBO MPP communicators on the various platforms on the social media. But as soon as you open your mouth, now Tigana Maimun, these guys will come after you and put you in uncomfortable and on this woman situation. Look at how we are treating Abronye. What has Abronye done to the NDC party? Na senka say na yeye ne dia. And enka indecent me ama power. Enka Samijam fi Erike J. Bashinteli Kwasi Ampanyini. What is the name of the other guy? Momo Bo Mudre Mame. Those stupid communicators. Those stupid, arrogant communicators. Sam George nom. Okuja Tabra Kwanom. And throw Mudi and Contempo Mudi. How they denigrated the images of the first gentlemen of the land. The other year, Dr. Bawomiana Neyere, and Sama Yekafa Papa in Neyere. How this man was insulted across the media. And some of the defamation commentary among foreign DC for Yedifa and Penfo, but nothing happened to them. Just because we were thinking that where we are moving to, we are going forward, we are developing, and the word democracy must to be maintained and make sure say everyone in the country yanka wanumbuka onumukasa ento enyere enkan show. But Mahama is completely disagree with this. Mahama say he don't agree. Say we Ghana ni ba ubenya ano edi akade odwene afa na mamuo ho. So we should all be silent. We should all be silent and praise him. And we are influent in the media. Now we can't say now one praise the man called John Mahama. They will come after you within a shorter possible time. The reality of the fact, and I say, we are living under so-called camouflage democracy under this John Tariqa Dramadi administration. The arrest of arrester, unreasonable reasons on which they base to arrest the people is coming too much and too loud. You cannot pretend to say you want to lead about 35 million people and you don't want to be criticized. Whom are you? Whom are you? To me, we gave you the power. It is the masses that queued up to give you that power that you're holding today, who they oppressing the people in the society. When you were coming in power, what you guys promised us and say you were coming to arrest corrupt practices, MPP are buying here and what a year under the administration. Mobano, Musi a man for Sika. Musi a man for Afghana no mum. Musi MPP for their buying Sika, ashes of one castle bottom, and Timo Beji at the society no amay watoye. Namokasa about 21 billion US dollars. Mobile, you know, instead of you to go after those properties, it is all young people in Penina would do mine sikane chiwa. I will not come and defend you. But Enkrofo way buy, you know. And Trona or Mudichre yen. Now Munim said there are no evidence to do whatever they were claiming, but it was just a tactics to win power, you know. And then and showcase the arrest of people without any good reason. It is a shame. And very, very disgraceful. Say after 69 years of independence, of what them call a constant practices of democracy in a country. Ibenya bambi na obebabe digana manso na obeye na adwene say he will not allow people to talk about his bad deals of governance. Enyeye, because John Mahama wants to arrest all of us abroad and locally. So what he wants to achieve will never happen. And we will send them into opposition in 2028 by force. Abusia, may a winning team. May have winning team, papa. But I made him any join it. But me and I'm meeting a channel. I'm not following him for now. I'm following him for a big deal that will happen, which Dr. Bawumia is going to win the election. Mr. Adisa John Mahama, Emma International, what them call Interpol, and until across the whole world to arrest anyone that speaks against his administration. And yes, Adia, you can arrest Abronye 70 times. We will get another 70, 88 Abronye people to come and talk. And what the NDC does not understand, they say, because them politically they are dumb, they are fools politically. The more you arrest Abronye, the more Abronye become famous. And anytime Abronye will on his camera, there be Abronye person camera piano. That will be the barrier day of the NDC. Momachi mi biye. NDC for momachi mi bina men fanji mi ding. Momachi mi bina men fanye fame. Momachi mi bina men politically exposed. Momena ita na momachi me. Anada me bagana be me di can send them a passport details di amamo. Monchi mi bi na menye famous. Minya mi famous name on the media. What is going on? What is going on naturally? Dear Nancy, dear Nasa woman, dear Ben Pan and Mahama, perfect Ghana for what? Onya ya, and I'm a nusuntia, or she obey Ghana for my woman. We did not vote for this. The reason why we Ghanaians voted for John Mahama was different. We believe in the agenda. What's the agenda? The 24-hour economy. 1-3-3-3. That is what we voted for. We voted for the automatic nurse posting. We voted for completion of Agenda 111 across the country. We voted for the creation of jobs for the people and the youth. We did not vote for you people to come after us and arrest us at anyhow. Now, me person won't the reason why they are going after Abronye, and later tell me if a summer no video no maybe watch does it mount to a point to say you be chini pan dia tum for 2 weeks. The video way na yen sign emra ye chi pressure to see the force say software kasa mon kwache na me o ba ba cheme a me na dey interest say ha me obi abompa ye say awurade ma pain enti akofo adonto fam awurade nkum akofo adone na busuafo nyina CID fo ankwankwache no ewo krom ha CID fo ankwankwache no na MPP the next MPP government no yen entertaining political police and there's a fact yen entertaining political judges say won kwa court yo asem way Abronye. This is what makes them go after Abronye ti asem ni ye abusha like video na shema me na yenko ye me ma me Monica me chama me afrempo me chiao Jeru kwaku apia me chama me kwasi asamo me chiao Frank Afo me chiao me chia me Kofi apia me anka se me ba Esther K Barima ma me papa bi na akua afro me chiao ye pa mo akaba ma me amanya akom chiao ena me ba Vivian Kuma me chia mu nyina ema mu nyina akwa asema Abronye be hyase aka no aye the reason why these guys are foolishly going after Abronye. Tie. Nkwa court. Ena da bia no yeso obi adi obi atem wo nkwa court ni yayi wo agenta ho say wo no dis ansem no we will not entertain our political judges no because yahu omo. We are entertaining political police for no e wo krom ha. We are political judge. Eno nti na da bia no ye nya case ya
Yede kwa denta ho, judge na wa denta circuit court one, or your political judge. Monka critic cases here, Nansay, adenta ho, police for yeah, nobody kwa denta circuit court. Negotiating Ben Ghana Police Service, any adenta circuit court no, or your political judge. Judge now what adenta no your political judge. Our ne abana ye negotiation. A intimidation court and my establishing a wadenta ho. Intimidation court. A nya court wa. Deliver justice. A nya court where you fair because Ghana Police Service any judge our negotiation. And in a case be young fanqua denta second court or your political judge. One more musrasa on the catcher no media count me out.
Yes, in the same way, and Abronye can ya, and I'm a nusuntino, and another day I menoka say, Abronye, the honor mu anyway. Look at this. Look at I said Abronye can yen and you. Look at what they are doing to Abronye to just watch this.
Please. Go back. Okay, go back.
Oh, it's about the Abronye issue. Last time, only Baba Amandu Sunyani was communication officer. Only Baba Amandu the ultimate court. Abronye anti-member. No home fan. So he's traveling small. So you buy another police for inviting or into a motion. Never court nana judge remanding for 2 weeks for on-call remand for police custody 2 weeks. So the ACR.
People next moving.
Or we'll go to high court. We'll go and appeal that decision. Send the Baba Mando thereby call high court. And we'll go and fight the case. So higher jurisdiction.
This is arrest here costly.
Debbie. MPP is stronger than what you are seeing today. Even Rawlings or the revolution NDC stands strong. And no government or no group of people can bring MPP down. MPP will have foundation. Even the revolution, when they are murdering people, killing people, NDC is strong and fight up to date. So MPP is not a party you can just cowl us, arrest, intimidation. That will let us shut our mouth. Debbie. MPP have a foundation, rule of law, and we believe, say, wherever it is, we'll come after it. We have foundation, and nobody can arrest our members or our guys for the country that can make NDC remain power forever. MPP, the elephant, when you go check all animals, the animals who don't forget what we did for him is elephant. Also, or no, neye abua. So the NDC shouldn't forget they are dealing with elephant. Elephant is a strong, and we have foundation. Even the revolution will survive, not a democracy government.
Yes, exactly. That is what the NDC must to put in their brain. Say, if the MPP was able to survive under Rawlings, what them community rule. How can the MPP survive under this Mahama rubbish governance under democracy? Nobody can intimidate us. Nobody can intimidate us. They should rather look into their homes and check and balance them, because January 7th, 2029, we are going to line up NDC leaders in a court, and many of them will go to jail by rule of law, not by this ambush manner of governance. And they know, they are aware of that. How many people were jailed by J. Kufuor, NDC people? How many of them were jailed? Akufo-Addo came in and jailed many of them, not just because of talking, because of fraudulent actions and corrupt deals. We are going to deal with them too. And our dealing with them will be so concrete that you cannot have a way even to escape from it. Now, the Amoye, way a boost of power, Abronye will come out. More MPP communicators will start talking more. More social media communicators, we are going to do more than what you people think. Because you won't say a poha a yamoya. You can't say it goes into your dompeno emu yamoya. Say a hun is answer the any bohopa. We will let you people breathe in. Say the eka. Oh, so yakra. Na oyonko fonkra esha say omu di wani omu di so fair. Now, say you want to play victim, and now there you become a victim of all time. That is what the NDC is facing now. Today, as I'm talking to you, everyone on the social media, we have all started bashing and even their own people. Their own people, because the government is alone. The government is suffering. The NDC ministers are not listening to the government anymore. The party is not in line with the NDC, with the administration. That is what the NDC must to focus on, and to stop going after the MPP communicators and MPP social media communicators. Because no matter what you do, January 7th, 2029, Bawumia will be sworn in as the president of the Republic of Ghana. And Mahama will be out of the scene that time. It is all the keep on and doing your things. You can't kill nobody. And I'm on phantom team. You can never kill no one. And Muntumin kaya kasabua enshe ye numuda emani ye. It cannot happen. You can arrest all of us 70, 80, 90 billion times. That will not change our point of view. Say, Don Dariga Dramani Mahama does not have the competence. He's an incompetent leader. He cannot even control his own ministers. System ministers. John Mahama cannot control them. They are all fooling around. Even only 60 ministers. John Dariga cannot even control them. How can you control 35 million people? They always remain there and they will never and never talk about it, about what you're doing. But the rest of us, the 29 million people plus Ayakano, do you think you can command us with arrest, with intimidation, with political witch hunting? You cannot. Some of us are going to trigger in what they call international political analysis on our platforms to demonstrate, to say, as soon as you see a president or go after his opponent with a political power, no, it actually tells you, say, the president is not delivering. Because they will deliver. You don't have time to go after people. When you're on your toes, doing what you promised to the people, when you are busy thinking about the well-being of the people, you will not be on social media monitoring what people are saying on social media. That is what Nanado was doing. He has no chance of going on Kwasi Kevin Taylor and the program so could tell the Obeka. But because this government is useless and they are not providing anything for the good being of the people, you know, they have time to go around to understand whom they can keep his mouth shut. Yenim say asofofo ne the influential people omo my num no. Ya to wona wi atua won ka ma omo sika ma omo anum aye ma say they will never talk. Any day yenim pa. But the NDC knows say there are some other people you cannot buy them with money. So what they will do is to operate serious and effective abuse of power on them to make sure say they shut them down. But it would not happen. It will not happen. We will make you regret. We will make you regret for taking this decision to go after the communicators of the opposition party. You will regret it because now it's time that we are going to bash you. Kwanya mo fa so mo bash Akufo-Addo ne yere ne ma ene ne MPs ne ministers ene na asefo no, we are going to give you the same way. You say abana ye di ball techi no eno a ene ye di be ball pa. So whom are you? Do you think you are bigger than Akufo-Addo that we cannot talk about you? Who are you? Akufo-Addo kura ye wo no to silver plata so kura no. Some of you stupid and idiot like you guys were able to insult Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. How much more we cannot talk about you guys? Say obise o court hona kwe say many times people who comment on social media are directed to your court and you always give them punishment. So why is that happening? You take that opportunity to arrest someone. The person falls sick. He flew outside the country to have a better treatment. What's bar? He came back to you to say, I'm back. I'm well today. I was because you were not here. Who born dog? Is that democracy that we are practicing? Who told you that if you are sick in prison, you should remain there? Yacho kradwa kotu prison no. Oyaria yamawa kwenyama upi edoko hospital wakosa ohwa there. No much more say oyona prison. Na oyare na wotu ekwa amano ne se okosa ohwa there. Now there monkoso na munye de moye. Monkoso na munye de moye no. Na Nana Addo can same way time ago the same way. Nana Addo was about to cry because of how foolishly John Dariga Dramani Mahama described Nana Addo and his family. Listen to what Nana Addo said here.
The comment made by my opponent, Achim Sakawa people, I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Gunchas, you can imagine the uproar that would be in the country. Presidential candidate, a former president of Ghana, you can call a group of Ghanaians Sakawa people, and it involves the group for which the sitting president comes, and that comment goes without, that statement goes without comment. And at the same time, we hear these statements. Let's all try and bring the politics of insults to an end, etc., etc. Occasions are given where specific comments can be made. Nothing happens. And then it's lost. It's lost in the generalities. I get the impression that because of the unfortunate, in some ways, authoritarian origins of our state in its area, where it was considered dangerous to criticize government. The pendulum has now swung the other way, where government is the only group you can criticize. If you criticize government, no matter what you say, it's legitimate. If government was to respond, that's somehow illegitimate. Media freedom is interpreted as meaning the freedom to criticize others, but you can't criticize the press. If, for instance, they step out of bounds or they conduct themselves in an irresponsible manner. So all of this, I'm trying to say that it's a package that we all have to look at dispassionately.
Yes. He was telling you how John Mahama, a former president, that time a potential president of the republic, was out there telling the whole tribe, say, Omuye Sakawafo. Abreye Yinanim said, Rwanda. Such a silly comment caused a death, the massacre of about 1.5 million people to death. Now, a former president, a presidential candidate then can come out and make such a reckless statement. And he went square free without any punishment. That's the same person today in power is going after people who are making comments in front of what he said when he was in opposition. That should credit tell you. That is actually what we call a disgraceful leader and disgraceful president who don't have nothing to think about. But what he has is to go after his political opponent. I will share Ras Media GH on YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Say follow me. So I won't subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So no abomodre na subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. So remachia kwa Ras Media GH. Na follow me on TikTok also. Like a video way. Busanfo medamunyina ase sede munyina munim. Rush Media yemfa ni agro. Mede nchi akese Emma Mimia Richard Samija si ena mesanso de nchi akese Emma Mimia Rose Rosuru Kaya mechia wonso yepa. Yes, it's clear. So say the about the top on BBI clear say yes, indeed. There is abuse of power ongoing in our country, which we must all fight to make sure it's 2028. Even to me, about we and Bibia, Akoso Kama. And I Rush Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. Mesra, Unyan subscribe, or no subscribe. Now I like a video no show mame. Mabeka, Abusian ko kesian no. Me don't be here. I, Nanya Koponya Duma. And every year, a besign Asia. Akramunina until we meet again. Adios.